Hello and welcome. I want to talk to you today about something that's fundamental to a man's sense of well-being. Stamina. It's a word we use a lot. It's the energy to get through a busy day without feeling exhausted by 3 p.m. It's the strength to play with your grandkids, work in the garden, or go for a long walk with your partner. And yes, it's also about endurance and vitality in your most intimate moments. For men over 55, a decline in stamina can be one of the most frustrating parts of aging. It can feel like your body's battery just doesn't hold a charge the way it used to. And my name is Dr. Emily Carter, and as a urologist, I've dedicated my career to helping men reclaim their health and vitality. Many men assume this decline is inevitable, a one-way street. But I'm here to tell you that it doesn't have to be. Your body is a remarkable system, and often, giving it the right fuel is the key to recharging that battery. Today, we're going to look at nature's own powerhouse nutrition. I'm going to reveal 3 specific seeds that I recommend to my patients. When eaten daily, these tiny nutritional giants can have a profound impact on your energy, your circulation, and what we'll call your reproductive power. This isn't about a fad diet. It's about making small, powerful additions to what you already do. Let's dive in. The stamina drain. Why energy fades after 55 and N. Before we talk about the solution, it's crucial to understand the problem. Why does stamina seem to take a nosedive as we get older? It's not your imagination. There are 3 primary biological reasons for this stamina drain. In first, we have mitochondrial decline. Think of mitochondria as the tiny power plants inside every single one of your cells. They take the food you eat and the air you breathe and convert it into energy. As we age, the number and efficiency of these power plants can decrease. Fewer power plants mean less energy production, which you experience as fatigue and lower endurance. Second is hormonal imbalance. After age 40, a man's testosterone levels naturally begin to decline by about 1 to 2% per year. Testosterone is the master hormone for male vitality. It governs muscle mass, energy levels, mood, and libido. As levels dip, you feel it across the board. It's not just about sex drive. It's about your overall drive to get up and go. Then the third, which is critically important, is reduced blood flow. We've talked about this before, but it bears repeating. Healthy circulation is the highway that delivers oxygen and nutrients to every part of your body, your muscles, your brain, and your reproductive organs. With age, blood vessels can become stiffer and narrower, a condition called endothelial dysfunction. When this highway gets congested, everything slows down. Your muscles tire faster, your mind feels foggier, and your reproductive system doesn't get the robust blood flow it needs to function optimally. These 3 factors, cellular energy, hormones, and blood flow, are the pillars of male stamina. When they weaken, your vitality weakens. But here's the hopeful part. We can directly support all 3 of these pillars with targeted nutrition. The mineral powerhouse, pumpkin seeds, NN. Let's start with our first seed, and it's one you might already be familiar with, especially around the fall. I'm talking about pumpkin seeds. These little green gems are arguably the most important mineral source for men's health. They are absolutely packed with 2 crucial nutrients, zinc and magnesium. Let's talk about zinc first. Zinc is to the male reproductive system what iron is to the blood. It is essential for testosterone production and for maintaining prostate health. In fact, the prostate gland contains one of the highest concentrations of zinc in the entire body. A zinc deficiency is directly linked to lower testosterone and poor reproductive function. Just a quarter cup of pumpkin seeds provides nearly 20% of your recommended daily intake of zinc. It's a simple, food-based way to ensure your body has the raw materials it needs for hormonal balance. And now for magnesium. I call magnesium the relaxation mineral. It's involved in over 300 biochemical reactions in your body, including energy production in those mitochondria we talked about. But crucially, magnesium helps regulate blood pressure and supports healthy blood vessel function. It helps your vessels relax, which improves blood flow. Many adults, especially older adults, are deficient in magnesium, leading to muscle cramps, poor sleep, and fatigue. I had a patient, let's call him George, 67, who was struggling with afternoon slumps and restless legs at night. He started adding a handful of pumpkin seeds to his yogurt every morning. After a month, he reported not only feeling more sustained energy during the day, but also sleeping more soundly. He was tackling the mineral deficiencies that were draining his stamina, NHOW to use them. They are incredibly versatile. You can eat them raw as a snack, sprinkle them on salads or oatmeal, or blend them into a smoothie. The goal is about a quarter cup per day. And the circulation booster, flax seeds in N. Our second seed is a tiny, unassuming powerhouse for your heart and your circulation. Flax seeds, NTHE magic of flax seeds comes from two main components, lignans and omega-3 fatty acids, specifically one called ALA, alpha-linolenic acid. Let's start with the lignans. Lignans are a type of plant-based compound with powerful antioxidant properties. In men, they play a fascinating role in hormonal health. They can help promote a healthy balance between testosterone and estrogen. Yes, men have estrogen too, and keeping it in the right ratio is key to maintaining vitality and a healthy prostate. Lignans support your body in achieving this delicate balance. NBUT, the real superstar here for stamina, is the omega-3 content. Your body converts the ALA in flax seeds into other omega-3s that are profoundly anti-inflammatory. Chronic, low-grade inflammation is a major cause of that blood vessel stiffness we discussed. It's like a slow, simmering fire on the inside of your arteries. The omega-3s in flax act like a fire extinguisher, cooling that inflammation and helping your blood vessels become more flexible and responsive. This directly translates to better blood flow everywhere. Better flow to your muscles means more endurance. Better flow to your brain means sharper thinking. And better flow to the pelvic region is fundamental for healthy erectile function and reproductive power. And a quick but very important note, your body cannot break down whole flax seeds. To get the benefits, you must consume them ground. You can buy them pre-ground, or simply grind them yourself in a coffee grinder, NHOW, to use them. The flavor is mild and nutty. Stir 1 or 2 tablespoons of ground flax into your morning oatmeal, blend it into a smoothie, or even mix it into meatballs or meatloaf. It's an invisible upgrade that your heart and blood vessels will thank you for. And the testosterone and energy ally, chia seeds in NN, our third and final seed, has become very popular in recent years, and for good reason. I'm talking about chia seeds. And chia seeds were originally used by Aztec and Mayan warriors as an endurance food. They would consume a mixture of chia seeds and water to sustain them during long marches and battles. They are a true stamina food, and they work in a few unique ways. First, they are a complete protein, meaning they contain all 9 essential amino acids. This is rare for a plant-based food. These amino acids are the building blocks for muscle tissue and for neurotransmitters in your brain that regulate energy and mood. This makes them excellent for muscle maintenance and recovery. Second, chia seeds are incredibly rich in soluble fiber. When you mix chia seeds with liquid, they form a gel. This gel-forming action slows down the conversion of carbohydrates into sugar. This means you get a slow, steady release of energy, rather than a quick spike followed by a crash. This is key for preventing those afternoon energy slumps and maintaining consistent stamina throughout the day. And finally, like flax, chia seeds are also a fantastic source of omega-3 fatty acids, further supporting that anti-inflammatory, circulation-boosting effect. They also contain a wealth of minerals, including magnesium, calcium, and yes, even zinc. They beautifully complement the nutritional profile of pumpkin seeds. And a patient of mine, Frank, 71, was a runner his whole life but found his recovery was taking longer and longer. He started making a simple chia pudding for breakfast. Just chia seeds, almond milk, and some berries left to soak overnight. He was amazed at how it sustained his energy levels through his morning runs and well into the afternoon. NHOW to use them. Their gelling ability makes them unique. You can make a simple pudding, as Frank did, or just sprinkle them on yogurt or salads. You can also add a tablespoon to a glass of water, stir, let it sit for 10 minutes, and drink it down. It's a fantastic way to hydrate and get a huge nutritional boost at the same time. Your daily stamina stack, putting it all together in N. So we have our 3 seeds, pumpkin, flax, and chia. The real magic happens when you combine them. Think of it as your daily stamina stack. Each one provides a unique benefit, and together they cover all the bases: hormonal support, circulatory health, and cellular energy, NSO. How do you make this a simple, daily habit? I want to give you a practical, no-fuss recipe, and I call it the 3-seed sprinkle. Get a clean, dry glass jar. Combine equal parts of the 3 seeds, 1 cup of pumpkin seeds, 1 cup of ground flaxseed, and 1 cup of chia seeds. And put the lid on and shake it up until it's all mixed together. Keep this jar on your kitchen counter where you can see it. Now, your only job is to get 3 to 4 tablespoons of this mix into your body every day. NHOW? It's easy. Sprinkle it over your morning oatmeal or yogurt. Blend it into a protein shake or a fruit smoothie. And STIR, it into cottage cheese. Sprinkle it over a salad at lunch. NTHE method doesn't matter. Consistency is what counts. By making this pre-mixed blend, you've taken all the guesswork out of it. It's right there, ready to go. This simple habit takes less than 30 seconds, but it provides your body with a powerful daily dose of the minerals, healthy fats, and fiber it needs to build and maintain stamina, and a future of vitality. It's in your hands. We've talked a lot about the science today, about mitochondria, testosterone, and blood flow. But what this all comes down to is a feeling. It's the feeling of waking up refreshed. It's the confidence of knowing you have the energy to meet the demands of your day. It's the joy of feeling strong and capable in your own body. This isn't about turning back the clock to when you were 25. It's about optimizing your health right now so you can live your 60s, 70s, 80s, and beyond with strength and independence. These seeds are not a magic bullet, but they are a powerful tool. They are a way for you to partner with your body to give it the essential nutrients it's been asking for. NTHE Journey to Better Health is built one small step at a time. Starting with this simple 3-seed sprinkle is a profound act of commitment to your own well-being. You are not just a passive observer of the aging process. You are an active participant in your own vitality. NT, thank you for joining me today and for taking this step for your health. I am confident that with small, consistent changes, you can build a future filled with energy and power. Be well.